This one, the meter. See, yeah, until they're up. And that's the pole. The first pole, that one, and this one, the second pole. This one, the second pole. The third one is that. That is the third one. This is the church here. Church of a Christian. And that is the next pole. And this is the grocery. Hello, ate!
Hi, kailan po?
Hello.
Inaayos na.
Apa. And this is the other pole. Up. This one. This is the other one. The next one is here. The last one upstairs. That one. Here. See, that is the last one. Ate Jonah! Ate Jonah! Yeah, that is our house. Many ducks here. The duck is spread out.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the house. And I will open, wait. So this is the key.
Yeah, all the
I
way
will
to the
get-
bottom.
Yeah.
Thought I had it.
Me, my size. Yeah. The key of this baby. I don't memorize the key of this because it's my dad is the one who opened this. I do not open the electricity there. Yeah, this one. Right. This is the area. plants of my dad here. That is the, what you call this? I forget what you call that for poo. That one?
Septic tank.
Yeah, that one. The septic tank. And this is the bathroom. Yeah. I have a plan to do this is just like I put only the roof here, roof until there, Didi, here until here, roof until here. So it open, but we need to flooring this one, and I will focus there inside. Okay.
Okay.
Then the gate there. This one I leave it open here, but I only put roof because the sun in the afternoon, the sunlight is good there. So I need to put a canopy here, canopy until there, so that in the afternoon it's very hot.
Is
That
this electricity?
huh?
Is this a
Yeah,
wall?
electricity for to them.
Okay.
Well, until there. Here, I will put something area. This area, we put rest area here. That's my plan. But for the meantime, I will only put roof here so that we can stay here. And
Watch
I
out.
will stop.
Watch out.
This one. Two. Yeah, and this is. We already have electricity here. So. This one is the sliding window. We only cover this one. We put this so that the
Yeah.
kids play for safety. Yeah, and my dad on next week he will put the what you call this, the cover there. The cover there next time. Then we put the AC here. Here, this is for AC. And see this one, the other one. We put also this one. Something to protect. But this is the only area that I will put grills. This one, no need to put grills outside because that is a kitchen there.
And when it rains, is water coming in this
No,
wall?
they will put a flashing there.
Oh, okay.
That's not finished because we need to finish that area up. But my dad said soon we will finish that house there because we put something here, right?
Yeah.
To cover this, the ceiling.
Yeah.
So all we need is to put flashing there in the upstairs. So that what you call this. Also the screen so that the flashing protects from the leaves that fall down. Then we go here, Didi. I will show you the. I will show you the. kitchen, and that is the electricity. And we put the laundry area here, laundry area outside. And this is the garage, the garage for car, and this is the gate, and we will put plant box here in this area. We will put plant box here and a little small gate there in front of that door. Small box, plant box. See the that one is the solar light. And this one we will put up a little here. So until here. Then we put fence, just like tubular, so that the air will come inside. Yeah. My dad put this for a meantime so that the kids will not come inside.
Yeah.
But I will focus inside the house and finish this area so that we can cook here, something like that. See, many fruits, mango. Just walk and I will make a video for you. This is my caretaker here. This is the one. My caretaker.
Hello.
Ate Jonah. You go out, Didi, so that you will,
Huh?
you go out. You check the other side there. Yeah. We will finishing also that this side, and we will put flashing also here on that side. That is my relatives area. That one, my relatives area. Because we will buy 600 square meters here. Yeah. So until there. And we cut or we separate. This one is for my relative. Yeah. See the ducks. I don't know where the ducks go. I hear Didi. See ya, Didi. Mga ducks. Alright. This is their house. The house of ducks. This one.
Yeah.
Then this one is where they go swimming. They go swimming here. They put water. They are the one who take good care of this area. Because their friend bought this area. This area, that area, and that area that have fence, they are all with there also. That's one owner only. The Muslim. The person is a Muslim. And you see the trees, they will not cut that one. It remain like this.